2008 Toyota Sequoia. Really beautiful car. It's got 295,000 miles. It's still clean as a whistle though. Factory converter there, factory converter there, secondary converter there, another one there. So got a total of 4. Then what we did on it is put a MAGNAFLOW, dual in, single out, part number 12158. As you guys can see right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And these MAGNAFLOWs are reversible, so you can do it either way. Then it's got factory pipe out the back. And then he wanted the side look. So we ran it out the side and took the resonator and the secondary resonator off and put a dual tip. As you guys can see right there. He saw our videos and said, I'm coming down here. So we got them hooked up. There'll be a link in the description for that too. And there it is from the side. There's the muffler. It's gigantic. As you guys can see, it's dual in, single out. And then there's the resonator that was on it also that we took off. So we took both of those off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Perfect. And when you get on it, you hear it. When it's sitting still, you don't hear it. Much better. Again. Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99, so it'll be about 110 once it breaks in. Or not, like 103. Go ahead and back it up. Toyota Sequoia i4s 5.7. Very nice looking car too. Maintain these cars, man, they last forever. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Sequoia. Really sexy blue color, one of my favorite colors. Got MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out, and a dual tip out the back. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Enjoy, guys. He didn't want it too light, he just wanted a little bit of tone.